My name is Stereo Mike.
Todd, this is Liquid, ring-a-ding-a-dingin'. I want those 3 Bram Band tickets, man. What do you think? Todd!
He's alive! Alive!
Todd!
I woke up again this morning with the sun in my eyes when Mike came over with a script surprise. A mafioso story with a twist. A too-long fool, Julie Newmar, here to get your ass out of bed. He said, I'll explain it on the way. But we did nothing,
absolutely nothing that day. And I say, what the hell am I doing drinking in LA at 26? I got the fever for the flavor, the payback will be later. Still I need a fix.
And the girls on the bus kept on laughing at us as we rode on 10 down to Venice again.